Welcome to TechMirror, the best gas grill of 2026, featuring top models that deliver unmatched performance, durability, and flavor. Whether you are a backyard chef or a weekend grilling pro, this guide will help you find the perfect grill to elevate your cookouts. Links in the description for all the grills we cover so you can check them out and grab your favorite today. Number 5. The Kenmore 3-burner propane gas grill with foldable side tables is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. This grill combines functionality, style, and durability, making it perfect for backyard barbecues with family, friends, and other guests. With a total of 30,000 BTUs of cooking power, each burner delivers 10,000 BTUs, ensuring even and efficient heat distribution for grilling a variety of meats, seafood, and vegetables. The grill features 512 square inches of combined cooking space, including 381 square inches of primary grilling area and 131 square inches for a warming rack or slow cooking. Its porcelain-coated matte finish cast iron grates provide the benefits of cast iron grilling without the maintenance, while the shiny porcelain-coated warming rack keeps food at the perfect temperature. The built-in heat thermometer allows for precise temperature monitoring even when the lid is closed. One of the standout features of this Kenmore grill is the foldable side shelves, which provide convenient preparation space while allowing for compact storage when not in use. The integrated grill tool holder keeps utensils within reach and reduces clutter, enhancing the overall grilling experience. The grill is mounted on 4 wheels with 2 locking casters for stability, making it portable and easy to maneuver. Constructed from powder-coated steel, the grill resists corrosion, flaking, and scratching, ensuring longevity. With over a century of trusted Kenmore performance and a 1-year parts warranty, this gas grill offers reliability, convenience, and style for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. It is a perfect addition to any backyard setup. Number 4. The Charbroil Performance Series 3-burner propane gas grill cabinet is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile outdoor grilling solution. This grill combines thoughtful design, convenient features, and high-quality construction to deliver an enjoyable backyard cooking experience. With 3 burners producing a total of 27,000 BTUs, it provides consistent heat across its 340 square inch primary cooking surface, making it easy to grill up to 20 burgers, 8 chicken breasts, or 5 steaks simultaneously. The additional 110 square inch warming rack is ideal for indirect cooking or keeping food warm, while the main grates handle the heavier items. The cast iron grates are porcelain coated, offering excellent heat retention, even cooking, and easy cleanup. 2 large side shelves provide ample space for tools, plates, sauces, and spices, while being gear tracks ready for customizable accessories, including a condiment basket, cup holder, and tool hooks. The lid-mounted temperature gauge ensures accurate monitoring of internal grill temperatures, and the removable grease pan allows for simple maintenance and cleanliness. The stainless steel cabinet with 2 doors provides secure storage for a propane tank and grilling accessories. The grill is equipped with 4 caster wheels, including 2 locking casters, making it easy to move and stable when in use. The electronic ignition ensures reliable startup every time, and the control knobs allow precise flame adjustment for each burner. With standardized assembly hardware and step-by-step instructions, setting up the grill is straightforward. This Charbroil gas grill offers practicality, durability, and performance, making it an ideal addition to any outdoor cooking space. Number 3. The Monument Grill's 41847NG Clearview. Stainless steel gas grill is an excellent choice for families and outdoor cooking enthusiasts seeking versatility, reliability, and performance. With a total cooking area of 723 square inches, this grill offers ample space to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for backyard gatherings, family barbecues, and entertaining friends. Its porcelain-coated cast iron grates provide superior heat retention and even cooking, while being easy to clean after each use. One of the standout features of this grill is the Clearview Stainless Steel lid, which allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid. This not only helps retain heat, but also improves cooking control, ensuring perfectly grilled meals every time. The grill comes ready for propane use and can be converted to natural gas with the Monument Grill's conversion kit, offering flexibility to suit different outdoor setups. The grill is thoughtfully designed with 2 side shelves and integrated tool hooks, providing convenient access to grilling utensils, sauces, and plates. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to the elements, while the easy-to-clean surfaces simplify maintenance. Additional features such as a thermometer, electronic ignition, and robust assembly make this grill practical and user-friendly. Combining functionality, durability, and style, the Monument Grill's 41847NG Clearview Stainless Steel Gas Grill delivers an exceptional outdoor cooking experience. It is a dependable and versatile option for anyone looking to enhance their backyard barbecue setup. Number 2. The Royal Gourmet 6-burner freestanding liquid propane gas grill with side burner and cabinet is a powerful and versatile choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts and families who enjoy entertaining guests. Designed with both performance and style in mind, this grill features a sleek black porcelain enameled finish that is durable, resistant to corrosion, and visually appealing. With 6 burners, including a high-powered 14,000 BTU sear burner and a side burner, it delivers a total cooking output of 74,000 BTUs, allowing for rapid heating and consistent temperatures across the entire grill surface. With 774 square inches of cooking space, this grill can accommodate up to 34 burgers at a time, making it ideal for large gatherings, backyard barbecues, or impromptu family cookouts. The specialized sear burner provides intense heat for professional quality searing, while the side burner offers the flexibility to prepare side dishes, sauces, or boiling tasks without leaving the grill area. Porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and integrated flame tamers ensure even heat distribution, reducing the likelihood of flare-ups and improving overall cooking results. The one-touch electronic ignition system guarantees fast, reliable starts every time. Cleanup is convenient thanks to the removable grease tray and cup, which minimizes mess and simplifies maintenance. Combining exceptional power, generous cooking capacity, and thoughtful design, the Royal Gourmet 6-burner gas grill is perfect for both casual backyard grilling and serious barbecue enthusiasts. It offers convenience, versatility, and reliability, making every outdoor meal a memorable experience. Number 1. The Monument Grill's 17842 4-burner propane gas grill is a premium choice for families and outdoor cooking enthusiasts seeking power, versatility, and style. Constructed entirely of stainless steel, this grill is built to last while providing excellent performance for everyday use or special gatherings. With 4 main burners and a side burner delivering a total of 60,000 BTUs, it provides ample heat for searing meats, grilling vegetables, and preparing a variety of dishes with consistent results. The grill offers a spacious 700 square inch cooking area, including 510 square inches of primary cooking space and 190 square inches on the warming rack, perfect for keeping food hot or slow cooking delicate items. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution and create professional-looking sear marks while remaining easy to clean. One of the standout features is the included rotisserie kit, powered by a 120-volt electric motor with enclosed housing to withstand outdoor elements, allowing for perfect roasting of chicken, turkey, and other large cuts. LED control knobs enhance visibility during nighttime cooking, and the electronic ignition system ensures reliable burner startup every time. The grill is designed with practical features such as accessory hooks on the side shelf, removable grease tray and drip pan for easy cleanup, and caster wheels for mobility. Backed by an 8-year limited warranty, this Monument Grill's model provides durable construction, thoughtful design, and exceptional cooking versatility. It is ideal for family barbecues, holiday gatherings, or anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. Thank you for watching our review of the best gas grills of 2026. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect grill to elevate your backyard barbecues and family gatherings. From powerful burners to versatile features, these grills deliver exceptional performance for every cookout. Check the links in the description to explore each model and grab your favorite. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews.